Control-C plus Control-V cannot be used to paste charts into PowerPoint. If you do that, all of the formatting is going to get messed up. So do this instead. So this is pretty unintuitive, but if you want to copy and paste information from Excel into PowerPoint, you can't just do Control-C and then Control-V. Otherwise, you'll get this very strange format that's not very useful and doesn't retain any of the formatting from Excel. What you actually want to do is still do Control-C, but in PowerPoint, you want to do Alt-ES, that is paste special, and that gives you an option to paste in many different formats. It's very common to use one of these two options. I like to use Enhanced Metafile. And here you can now see that the graphic looks exactly like it did in Excel. We have the same colors as well as the same formats. Now, what's really good about this is that it remains proportional. If I want to drag it and make it bigger, it still looks roughly the same. Now, one small thing you might notice is that there is a blue line on this side. That's because I'm in the print formatting in Excel. The way to get around this is to do Alt-WL, which turns it into a different view. I'm then going to copy it again. If I do Alt-ES, do the exact same thing. And now I have a new graphic without that blue line. And then within Excel, I can do Alt-WI, and that brings me back to the original print formatting.